Hello everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And today I am going to review the Filtrete room air purifier. Now we got this one, my son got it for us. We're using it in the front room, which is a little bit of a bigger room. This is actually a small room, tabletop air purifier. But we're using it in this room. We've got another purifier in the other room. And we just wanted this one in here because this is where we keep Shoes. And if you don't know who Shoes is, that's Shoes. She's just turned 14 years old and she's been having some UTI infections, which means she's not always competent about going outside when she should. So we have pee pads down, as you can see, and we want to put in a air purifier just to help with the odors and stuff between cleanups, especially in the winter time when you can't really shampoo the rug in as often as you would like. So this is a Filtrete. It's for small rooms, 800 square feet. It has a reminder on it to remind you when to do the to change the filter. You have different types of filters you can choose from. You can choose from regular ones, which are good up to 6 months, or you can use the advanced ones, which takes care of bacteria and viruses also. And it takes an ADH filter size, and from what I've heard, this is the same as the P filter, so you might want to check that one out. It comes with a hyper-type filter that cleans out 95% of the airborne particles. It contains the filter and the room purifier. It has 3 speeds to control the cleaning levels. It's very quiet, and it, like I said, tells you when to change the filters. Let's see, on the average, it says we take 20,000 breaths a day. On this side, what we got here? Electronic air filtration, sufficient airflow, and air quality. It meets the California ozone emittance label limits. Let's see. This one is made by 3M. I'm sorry. There's the information on it if you want any more information. The back pops out easily to change the filter, and it's very, very quiet. I've got this on high right now, and I can hardly hear it, but we keep it over here in the corner behind the little gate to keep her from, and you can feel the air coming off of it. Oh, I'm sorry, it was on low. Here we go, that's high. And you can see how the tinsel on the tree is moving, so you know it's out putting out good air. And I usually keep this on low, and it seems like it does a fairly good job in this room as far as taking care of the odor. And like I said, it's a tabletop model. You can put it on the table or you can put it over here on the floor, whichever one you want. And like it does make a difference. It makes a big difference. So I really recommend them. They come in different sizes. You can get larger ones for larger rooms or small ones for small rooms. So this works really good. It would work great in a small office or something like that. But like I say, even in this room, as large as it is, it does a decent job as far as keeping the odors down. And I'm sure it helps with the particles and stuff from her dog food and her, you know, her water and everything. And there's a lot of dog dandruff and everything else in here. So I would recommend it. Yeah. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.